Yeah, this is Shaik Mohammed Ayub. We are distributor of Mercleys ice cream in Telangana. Whole entire Telangana, we are distributing this ice cream, and it's a Kerala-based product. Actually, we are unique ice cream compared to any other brand because this ice cream has a prebiotics and probiotics, as you can see on the board. The prebiotics and probiotics. First, India's first ice cream with prebiotics and probiotics, and it's made out of 100% natural colors and natural flavors, no synthetic color, no added sugar. It's completely fruit-based ice cream, and we are across India. It's and internationally they are in Gulf also. So we are distributing, and it's very creamish ice cream. You can see we have all varieties of ice cream. Here you can look into our products ranges, and we are trying to create an awareness that ice cream is a healthy product. It's not like any other ice cream which think of sugar or something bad. But we added the prebiotics and probiotics to make it healthy. We have 5 distribution points in Hyderabad: Masap Tank, Kukatpalli, AS Rao Nagar, Kompalli, and Sun City. From there, we will distribute, and it's across 300 plus stores we are supplying, like Pick and Buy supermarket chain we are there, and some medical stores, Mawa Medical. Earlier, medical stores was not accepting any ice cream, but because of this prebiotics and probiotics, we are present in many of the medical stores, and our stores are across Hyderabad. 300 plus stores are there. You can Google it, Mercleys anywhere. Mercleys, we are on Google or we are on Facebook, LinkedIn, and all media channels. We are there. Yesterday it was pretty good, but today we are expecting more crowd because we are trying to connect to kids to make an awareness of the ice cream, what is the actual content of the ice cream and why they have to have it.